the training program of psychosocial care and disaster management has been a great success. This training has been organized by NIMHANS and led by Dr. Sanjeev and team. Training has been assisted and coordinated by Medical Health Department and Mental Health Program of the Lakshadweep Administration. Training overall has been a great success. Success in the sense such a training has not taken place so far and participants are really enthusiastic. I could see that they have gained a lot. They have gained a lot and none of them expressed any fatigue or any ill feeling because it was not an usual PowerPoint presentation or lecture. It was a role playing, group discussion, like that. So it went on very well. I would appreciate and congratulate the team. Thank you.